Hi, honey. Subscribe to Pseudo AI. Ah, yes. Click on that button.
Alright, so now that the hype of the Qwen3 TTS has gone, I'm gonna show the easiest way to run it. But first, what is Qwen3 TTS? Well, it's a text-to-speech model from Alibaba, and this is really good. And better than that, it's only 1.7 billion parameters. And there is actually a 0.6b version available for these two models. There are three, and one is voice design, which is made to perform voice design based on user descriptions. So you give a prompt describing the voice, and it will try to generate a specific voice tone, timbre, specific emotion, or whatever. And the custom voice, which you have a specific voices and you can choose between them, and the base, which can be used to clone voices and to fine tune. And the smaller version, you have these two, the custom voice and the base. Let's hear a few examples.
9 different, exciting ways of cooking sausage. Incredible! There were 3 outstanding deliveries in terms of the sausage being the hero. The first dish that we want to dissect. This individual smartly combined different proteins in their sausage. Great seasoning! The blend was absolutely...
Good one. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna leave this sock monkey here. Goodbye.
Blah, blah, blah. We're all very fascinated, Whitey, but we'd like to get paid.
Okay, yeah. I resent you. I love you. I respect you. But you know what? You blew it! And thanks to you!
There's also the custom voice and the base to do fine-tuning, but I'm gonna focus on the voice design because it's the most impressive. So here the models are already on Hugging Face. You can try it for free in this Hugging Face demo.
It's in the top drawer! Wait, it's empty! No way, that's impossible! I'm sure I put it there!
But how can you run it locally? Because this is the beauty of this, running locally. Well, the absolutely easiest way is to use Pinokio. It's pinokio.co. You download the app, and within the app, you just click one button and it will install it. There it is, Qwen3 TTS, or you can use it via Qwen2 GPU. You're choosing. This would be the fastest, and this you will have a lot of other options you can use besides just the Qwen3 TTS. I recommend installing just one thing or maximum of 2 things into Pinokio because Pinokio tends to mess up your other Conda environments. Don't ask me how. It just happens. I don't know how. But because of that, I prefer to use a manual installation, and it's actually pretty simple, not too difficult. I'm gonna use Qwen2 GPU. It will be, of course, a little bit more complicated than this. It's still pretty easy, and let's do it. So first, you're gonna need Git and Miniconda. You can just go here into this page and click to download, and then click next. If you are on Windows, it should install it. If you are on Linux, it's even simpler. You don't even need this. You just go to your terminal and sudo apt install git. Now for Anaconda, you have here the instructions for your operating system. So you have Windows, you have Mac, you have Linux. Just follow the instructions. It's pretty easy. After you have done that, you need to go to the Qwen2 GPU page and then git clone into a folder, and it will create this folder for you. So you need to change the directory into here and then create an environment and then activate it. You need to install the PyTorch according to your graphics card. You can choose whether you're gonna use AMD or Nvidia. I'm gonna use Nvidia. So here is the instructions for installing with Nvidia. Here you have a few requirements, but you don't need all of them. So Git, we already installed it. This build tools for Visual Studio and CUDA toolkit you don't need if you're not gonna use Sage Attention, and we are not gonna use that. So don't bother. Your Nvidia drivers should be up to date. Same thing with the AMD, of course. And you should probably install FFmpeg. You can just go here and download and install it. And Miniconda, which we already did. Now, you go to your graphics card here. I'm on Linux, so I should go here and here, 30 series. That's my case, so I would copy this, paste into my terminal, and then install it. Now, you should just pip install -r requirements.txt and done. So you just need to launch it. So copy this and paste into your terminal, click enter, and it should be launched. You will be presented with this. So first, what I need to do is select the Qwen3 TTS here, and then you can choose whether you're going to use the custom voice or the voice design. I'm gonna use the voice design, so click here and that's it. So let's see if this is working.
Hi, honey. Subscribe to Pseudo AI. Ah, yes. Click on that button.
Alright, as you can see, not bad. So Alibaba entered the open source text-to-speech family of models. Very good. Let me know what you think and see ya.